All right, y'all. Today we're going to be solving Practical C, Programming Chapter 8, Section 8.5, the exercises. The goal of making these videos, and I have the PDF pulled up over here, is to kind of cover more niche problem sets, exercises, go through books. Of course, most people probably haven't heard of Practical C Programming. It's a book I got at the thrift store. It's been a great book for getting into C. I've dabbled in reading some K&R, but I found this book and I just thought I would go ahead and full send it, go through it, solve the exercises, all that stuff. So the point of these videos will be to sort of solve a section of exercises at a time through each book that I'm reading, sort of elaborate, summarize the previous chapter. Of course, these books, throughout chapter 8 here, we're talking about, we're talking about case and switch. Pretty much that's going to be the main lesson from this chapter. We learned about for loops, we learned about while loops, we've learned about if statements, all that stuff. So we've really got our main programming fundamentals in place so far in this book. So let's go ahead and just dive into solving this first problem. Exercise 8.1. Got some weird shit going on with the text. I think that's because of the extremely legal source I obtained this PDF through. So let's go ahead and get our editor open. We're going to be using Ubuntu. And WSL Windows subsystem for Linux, blah, blah, blah. Okay, we're going to go into my existing Practical C folder and go ahead and get some separate instances of this going. Yeah, there's probably a better way to do this, but this is how I do it every single time because I know what I need to work with. So these two guys here will kind of serve as our runtime environment, and then this guy here will serve as our editor. So we'll go to chapter 8. Looks like I haven't actually created a folder for any of the exercises yet, so we'll go ahead and see chapter 8. Then we'll do a little make dir. What should we call it? What did I do in the other exercises? So make dir and then I assume yeah, okay. We'll go ahead and make dir for 8-1 here. Go ahead cd and A1. And I've been using sort of the same makefile template. Okay. So we will, yeah. Cool. Then we'll go ahead and do a-1.c. Let's delete that. Let's paste that in here. There we go. We'll go ahead and update this guy to be 8-1. Forgive me if I fumble my Vim swag. I don't know why I lost my copy there. Guys, I promise I'm better than this. A-1. I'm camera shy. So that's all good. Quit out of that. Go in here. Let's get our files set up. So let's see how nicely this wants to copy in here. Oh, not at all. Okay. Let's see if I can make this happen. Maybe. Okay, shit. Wait, how? Okay, that's how. Okay, so these don't want to go back. Whatever. We'll just do it the manual way. Sometimes them shortcuts are overrated. Ooh. All right. Skip that. That. All right, and that's what we want. A-1. Control Q. Let's go ahead and just tab these over, and then we'll Control Q. There we go. Okay, so print a checkerboard 8x8 grid. Each square should be 5x3 characters wide. So it gives us an example of what our output should look like. And I thought, it gives us, hey, print this grid. What if we do, just an extra step and make it like a command line tool and, int argv char argc. Is that how you do it? Okay, let's do a quick Google search. clang command line tool. clang argv argc argv. argc and argv. This is what we want right here. Okay. Forget that syntax. Boom. Okay. Int argc char star argv. Okay. Just trying to create an array. Okay. So first we'll just go ahead and test this works the way we want. %d arg %d %c. Sorry y'all, it's been a few days or a week or two since I've written some C, so then we'll do argc argv. So format specifies type int, but the argument has char star star. Okay. Okay. We'll rock with that. Damn, not even 2 seconds in, I'm already using it. I don't know why I cleared a clear terminal. I'm a creature of habit. Let's go ahead and make sea south. So wait. What I have to do, I fucking... sure. Whatever. Okay. D's cheese. 3 dot. Printing char argc argv. Can I not do that? So how? So we'll need a loop to print through all of that. So it's an array. We have to specify something. Let's just test it with. We don't have to. Let's test the second. Specify type int. Excuse the shit out of me. But argument has type. How about I just get rid of that shit? %s. Can I? Is this gonna give me cheese? No, it's not. Okay, let's look. Wait, didn't I already do this? No, I'm stupid as shit. So we're checking here. Did I even use arg? No, I didn't. I gave up, I guess. Okay, we've got Git issues. Because I like to work on shit on different computers, and I'm stupid. Given file size, it will take time to transfer if argc to argv0. Why don't we just can? Oh, I didn't give it any fucking arguments. Stupid as shit. Okay. we go. Okay, we got our thing. We want to take multiple inputs. Let's go ahead and if argc less than 2. I'm about to go crazy. If argc less than 2, printf usage. How did I format that? I liked how I did that. Usage percent. So, okay. Usage, how do we want to describe to them how to do it? Percent S. D square should be a 5 by 3. Printer checkerboard 8 by 8. So we want X axis, Y axis. Then go RV 0. Okay. Let's test this. Okay. I always forget the new line. Usage. Save. Oh, I didn't remake. Yeah, usage. Okay. I guess we don't need these in there, really. It's not like they're fucking variable. Oh. Okay. So we know how to tell the user how to use the program now. We don't need to do that anymore. So we know how to take user input. Now let's go ahead and create some variables. Int get our X and Y axis. If else else we're gonna assign x-axis to argv1, then y-axis to argv2, possible int, possible pointer to integer. Incompatible pointer to integer conversion assigning int from char star. Oh, didn't mean to open that. That's ugly. We have to do this shit. I forget. Or just A to I. Okay. right, we're getting warmed up now. Let's go ahead and print these. Make sure we're getting those. %D, %D. X is Y, X is... Okay. Usage 66, 33. Okay. That's good. Getting that. Cool. Got those as integers. Now we need a loop. So we need to loop. These characters should be print a checkerboard. Each square should be 5 by 3 characters wide. An 8 by 8 grid. But each square should be 5 by 3 characters wide. So a 2B Y2. Oh, fucking a 2 by 2. I'm like, what the fuck are you talking about? A 2 by 2 example follows. Printer checkerboard. So it's time for another beer. So, okay. We're gonna do this shit. We need to just print let's start coding. For I think the type of C I'm using doesn't allow me to explicitly declare this I less than equals 0. I less than the length, or I less than we're going to print line by line, so our cutoff should be... So I don't... So is a 2 by... Are they saying that they want me to tell my program, give me a 2 by 2, and this is what it will give back? Each square should be 5 by 3 characters wide. Okay, that is a set thing. 5 by 3 characters wide. Should we print a square at a time? And then based on the input, that's how many squares we print. So this square we have should be hard coded. Okay. So we are dealing with squares. We are not dealing with characters. So we need a string for sure. I don't know 100% why yet, but so we need to know now how many squares we need to print. X is how many per line. Y is going to be how many lines. So yeah, as long as I is less than Y axis. This is how you do it for loop, right? I plus plus, yeah, okay. We'll do it like that. Ooh, 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 you. There we go, much better. But if it's the else, You know what? Actually, you. I don't like that shit. Ugh. Hell no. We need a space there. We like spaces. So we need to define our square. Our square is going to be this guy here. So how the fuck were we defining a string? Oh my Jesus. I don't know when I used a string. Okay, here's string. We need to create a array of characters that is an 8x8 grid. Where the fuck does the 8x8 come from? An 8x8 grid. That's 4. Oh. So 4. But this is like a lot longer than 8. God, I'm so bad at understanding questions. It wants us to print an 8x8 version of this 2x2. I'm stupid. So, how are we going to save this? So should we just do like a char? Look at this guy. Let's see. That's 1, 2, 3, 7. So char square top 6 elements. 7 elements. Yeah. Excuse me. And then we will do because we can use the top for the bottom as well. Square line. Square wall. Okay. We'll define these. These are going to look like how can I create my own string variable? String copy. Okay. Is this the most... Is this the best way to do it? Who gives a shit? Stir copy. Char star. The name of the damn thing, of course. So we're gonna do square line, and then we're gonna give it this. We're gonna give this guy here Alright, that's what that looks like. Stir copy will always overflow. Okay. Gotta include the null byte. 8. Sorry, man, it is 8 by 80. Nah, I know that's a different 8 by 8 square wall. Do that. We'll go to 10. Well, we'll do that. Go back down 35. What the fuck? So that looks like, okay, now we have our variables to. We have to do this in intervals of. Let's just try to print one square. Hard coded, I less than y-axis. That tells us how many squares to print. So we're just gonna print %s square line and then square wall. Cool. Do that. Let's make 1 and 1. Square line, square wall. Yeah, we want to skip. Okay. 1 and 1. So there's one of our squares there. Okay, yeah, 1. Boom. Make. Rerun. So can I just like do something like this? Can I hack the system? Okay. It's nice that the editor will tell me 24. So, square walls. It's cool that we can just kind of... I don't know how to get rid of that highlighting thing, so I just like search for a really long spaced out character, and that tends to do the trick. So yeah, we're getting so we're printing our walls. Now let's print one more line. Let's see. We're gonna be able to squeeze what we want out of this. Don't know yet. Got one square. Is that how? Yeah. Oh, there's slashes. I did pipe characters. Or wait. No, they are pipe characters. Cool. So we print one square. Let's test it. Let's see what it does when I say 2 squares. One, 2. Okay. This is where it's really fucking us up. Alright, we have 2 squares, but we don't want 2 squares, we want a grid. So All right, we need lock-in. Need lock-in music. So Aphex Twins Supreme collaboration came out today. Excuse me. So we're printing a fucking square. We've got the building blocks. We need to print a square. We just need to be able to provide it. I think the best way to do this would be nested for loop. I don't really see how else I could do it. Am I stupid? Probably. We're gonna fucking do a nested for loop. J less than x-axis. God, this song. I'm telling you, that shit is crazy. So, God, working on crud shit, API shit all the time, and then coming and doing stuff like this, just, God, it breaks you down to your most intricate parts. So, I'm about a beer and a half deep, so we're really getting to the Balmer's Peak here really soon. So God, I'm just having trouble visualizing this. Print a checkerboard. Each square should be 5 by 3. So we know that when 1 and 1 1 and 1. I almost want to do like a catch-all. So if x-axis and just to stop thinking about how this could possibly interfere. Whoa, what was that? What was that I just did? That was the craziest shit I've ever done. If x-axis equals 1 and I'm tripping for no reason. That's literally almost the right syntax. Okay. I think. If that's what's gonna go down, that's what we're gonna do, baby. So excuse me. Jesus. Boom, boom, boom. Let me say if less than 2 we can break. Oh my god, we should be using case. Is that what it wants us to do? I haven't used case at all. So maybe it wants switch control. Print a checkerboard 8x8 grid. Each square should be 5x3. Yeah, spent about 45 minutes on this so far. And maybe I started to get in the right direction, or but I don't want to waste too much time on this, so we're just going to solve it by the minimum requirements. We're going to forget this stuff, all this ArcV crap. And we're just going to print the damn thing. So let's paste it. Paste this, John. Old. We'll do old. Then let's dang, 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 dang. We'll do this. We'll do this. We'll do our little return 0 in here. Print an 8x8 grid. Okay. It did not specifically specify, hey man, you need to like take input from the user, so we're not even gonna freaking do that. This is gonna prove to be a challenge in and of itself. So I had to calculate that. Cause this ain't Python. So that's 4. That's 8. Hey, yo, chill. We're cooking. We're cooking so insanely right now. We're gonna go ahead and select all of this. Let's put it 2 tabs over. Let's go down to 62. Let's delete this shit. Boom. We're gonna go up to 26 to the beginning. And then we're gonna go into visual block mode. And let's print F. Boom. Now let's go to the end and Control Q all the way down. Oh shit. Shift insert. Boom. Shit. Go down again. Boom. 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 Oh my god. Boom. Okay, that's not good. Boom. 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 I can't believe that I was trying to do all that dumbass programming shit. argc, argv, a to I, stir copy, char star, int. Alright. We're gonna print the fuck out of this shit. We're actually gonna go in here real quick because this looks fucking ugly. I'm gonna delete all these. Cool. Oh, and yeah, we can probably go back over a tab or two. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Cheers to that. Let's make. Alright, I'm cooked. Oh my god. 8 by 8 ass grid. Might be the best code I've ever written. What in the fuck? Git add dot git commit dash m, best code I've ever written. Swear to God. Git push. Sayonara to that shit. Alright. Practical C programming 8-1 conquered. Now, on to easier problems. We must find the total resistance of n resistors in parallel. Or, the total resistance of n resistors in parallel is 1 over R equals 1 over R1 plus blah 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 plus Rn. Suppose we have a network of 2 resistors with the values 400 ohms, 200 ohms. Oh. That shit is finna be cake. I don't know shit. About resistance or anything for that matter. We're actually going to go ahead and look up practical C programming exercise 8-1. Let's actually just go over to Grok, see what he does. God, am I just really stupid? I've been programming for so long, dude. I suck dick at this shit. Sorry, that's a little vulgar. 8-1-grok.c. Let's check this out. Let's check this code out. Can we custom fit our... So, okay. So this is hard-coded. Print the 8x8 checkerboard. Excuse me. So it's separated the end character. So a horizontal line consists of this local variable I goes up to 8. So it's going to print this 8 times. Prints that, then that, then that, then that, then that, then that, blah, blah, blah. Because it does it in here. So print horizontal line. The way this looks is it prints this, then this, then it goes to the new line. And it prints this. That's so, you know. No, it's not. It's printing all of this. It's printing 8 times. So that makes sense. Cool to see the solution. I should have just done it with for loops. I don't know why I just didn't. I mean, I was doing it with for loops, but I was yeah, whatever. Yeah, so the goal of this series is to make myself become a better programmer, provide some insight / knowledge about these more obscure books, like Practical C Programming. But, you know, sometimes you do stuff like this. I don't know. I guess I've been programming for 8 years. Yeah. So, I don't know. I guess the point of this was just to make myself vulnerable and uncomfortable because kind of look dumb. But, it's okay. We tried our hand at it. We spent a lot of time. It's cool. We're almost to an hour. Look forward to me trying my hand at this beast, I don't know. We're gonna get better. Let's see what do they have an answer section? Doesn't seem like it. I don't know. Cool. Alright, well, yeah, I'll be back. I'm gonna make more videos. I've got a lot of projects I'm working on, a lot of stuff in the pipeline. But I really love reading programming books. So expect that to be the bulk. But, alright. See y'all.